What's up, YouTube? We're back again with another video. We're joined by my girlfriend and Jenny, and today we are at the very first in 4 years in New Jersey, Ratchet Friday. Let's get to this shit. I follow him on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Good, yo.
What's up, my guy?
How are you?
Good, man. How you doing?
Where's the car at?
Down here to the left.
Oh, okay.
Where you at?
I'm a spectator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my SI is stock, so
For a walk?
nah, not too bad.
Yeah, I would've. If I knew it was like a walkie out here too.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Ratchet Friday. It is hot out here. Make sure you...
I don't know if you guys can see the guy with the green shirt, but that's a bitch right there. He is a bitch. That guy. Everybody comment down below. Say, Jamie, you a bitch. Alright? Make sure you comment, Jamie, you a bitch. Alright, this is the guy, Jamie, right here. I told you guys to call him a bitch, but that's my nigga right here. You want to say something on YouTube?
Yo, listen. Isaac's the man, bro. That's it. That's all I gotta say.
Ex-co-worker here. He left to bigger and better things, but I still love this guy. This is the whip. They might call you a bitch for this, but it's alright.
It's alright, bro. It's the dad's car.
It's a dad whip, dad whip.
Dad whip.
Dad bad, dad whip.
Yo, fuck it.
This is different. This is different. That's different. That's cool. Off-road Jetta. Got them all-terrain wheels. A little bit of a lift going on. Patrick, where you at, my boy? Oh, you want to be on the channel?
I don't want to.
Oh, you're on the channel now.
Oh, what's up, guys?
Izzo out here. Jackie.
I don't wear it, but let me show you.
Some artists. Some grams. Some B-Series action. 370, G80.
That's cool.
It's nice. Another one. It's the wagon gang. The Mad Tech. Not bad. popped out with the M3, new whip. Never showed it off to the channel yet, but he just got it. That boy Patty P. Say it was good. Yeah, let him know. That's how you do it. Right hand drive, Del Sol.
I fight the world, I fight you, I fight myself, I fight God. Just tell me how many birds left.
You come on up here and sign up with me, and we'll make an announcement when we get closer to starting the contest. Be cool out there and drink water.
Benfica!
Como é que aquele vê?
Can you guys guess which one's mine and which one's Stephanie's?
Now it's the last
Alright guys, so we're calling it a night early at the Ratchet Friday in New Egypt, New Jersey. It honestly didn't meet my expectations or anyone else's expectations. This doesn't compare to the Ratchet Fridays back in English Town, sadly. But yeah, that's just my take on this. If you guys want to comment down below if you came to the show, maybe you guys can agree. But it was pretty disappointing, to be honest with you guys. I'm just honestly not pleased with the turnout of this show. Maybe I'll come to the next one and hopefully it's better. But hopefully you guys like the clips that I gave for you guys. But yeah, I'm calling it a night. So please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, you guys. Peace.